Hello everyone, my name is Sania Shirazattar. Today we are discussing a very important topic is thermal power plant in basic mechanical engineering. So let's start. First of all, we have to see what is meant by power plant. So let's start. Power plant is refers a facility that generates electricity by converting various sources of energy such as coal, natural gas, oil, solar, wind, hydroelectric, geothermal, nuclear, etc. They act as the backbone of the energy infrastructure using turbine or generators to produce power distributed via grids. So, first of all, we have to see the introduction of thermal power plant. It generates electricity by burning fossil fuels, primary coal, to turn water into a high pressure steam which drives turbine connected to electrical generators. These plants are crucial for baseload power but are the major contributors to greenhouse emission and have low thermal efficiency, typically 30 to 45%. First, working principle. The fuel burned in a boiler heating water to produce steam. This steam passes through a turbine spinning it to generate electricity, after which the steam is called back into a water in a condenser to be reused. Then we have to see the diagram. In this diagram is the boiler, steam turbine, generator, and grid systems are there. So this is a basic diagram of thermal power plants. The main component of the thermal power plants are there are five main components. First is boiler, turbine, condenser, generator, and cooling tower. First is boiler. The boiler is the main component of a thermal power plant where the fuel is burned to generate a steam. The steam is used to power a turbine that generates electricity. Second one is the turbine. The turbine converts the kinetic energy of the steam into a mechanical energy which drives a generator to produce electricity. Then third one is generator. The generator is a device that converts the mechanical energy from the turbine into electrical energy. Basically, the generator converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Then, condenser. Condenser is a device that cool and condense the steam back into the water after it has passed through the turbine. Cooling tower. The cooling tower is the most important part of the thermal power plant where the cooling tower is used to cool the hot water that is discharged from the condenser. Then advantages. There are so many advantages of thermal power plants. First is the making energy from the thermal power plant is very easy. The fuel used up, that is coal, is very cheap. The thermal power plant setup cost is very less. It requires less space as compared to another power station like hydroelectric power station. Then thermal power plant can be set up anywhere near fuel and power supply. Then disadvantages. There are so many disadvantages of thermal power plant. So first is it has low overall efficiency. It Second one is its maintenance cost is high. It has And third one is a large water source is required to convert water into a steam. So this this for disadvantages. So thank you.